What do you even air street tires down to?
We are out in our new, to us, 2010 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition. I just picked this up earlier this week. I picked the Trail Edition specifically for some of the off-road options that it features. Things like the crawl controller I have up here, the rear locker, and of course the non-functioning hood scoop. That's the most important part. I do have some modifications planned for the 4Runner. I have tires that I'm picking up early next week, a lift kit that I'm about to order, probably about 2.5 to 3 inch lift kit, and I have a Prinsu roof rack on the way from Rock Your 4x4. But right now it is totally stock, including the street tires that came with it. I've done no modifications other than just move all of my patches across. Things like my Revere Overland patch. And we're out on the Kentucky Adventure Tour to try it out and see how it does stock.
This spot here looks like a great place for us to stop and set up for lunch. I'm gonna let the dog out to play in the creek as well. Oh, right into the mud. Barley. All right, wet dog, come on. Good boy, sit. Lay down. Stay. Good boy.
1, 2, 3, go.
I need to get some sliders for steps.
What? Did you film me?
Yep. I was trying. May have taken on a little bit too much with the stock road tires. Go off the brake.
It really goes back there. Okay, it's like a honeycomb on the back. Sam Squinch is where he lives. Like a caveman.
Pretty gnarly.
Wow, you put a big speed stripe.
Did I?
Probably on that rhododendron right there.
You got one here.
Oh, man.
Look at this giant
Wow,
one.
yeah, that's the entire length of the vehicle.
This is what we're here for. Ladder. Steep ladder up to the top.
He's standing in it. And we...
The 4Runner did amazing today. It did a whole lot better than I thought it was going to do with the stock tires and no lift. A-trac is way better than I ever thought it was. I'd say it was almost as good as the locker system that's in a Jeep. Crawl control was cool. It really helped when we were going out on the traction boards, but I do think me just driving in low with A-trac on was better than using crawl control in all the situations where I used it. All in all, I can't wait to get a lift and some decent tires on this because I think it's going to be amazing to drive. I think that's it. Were you pulling faces that whole time?
No, I wasn't. I thought about it, but I refrained.
Okay, I'll put that in the video.
What?
You pulling face at the end. I'll zoom in on your face doing that.
Well, then you'll get all the likes because this face is where the money is. They'll be like, subscribe.
Dropping off front now. Take it slow. Just keep straight. There it goes. Yeah, and you're going to drop left. Dropping back. Slow. Just take it slow, come my way. Keep coming my way as much as you can.